So I'm here for Ikan Bakar, which means grilled fish. Let's see what kind of fishes they got. So, what's this one?
Pomfret.
Pomfret.
Yeah.
And what else do you have here?
We have sea bass.
Sea bass?
Yeah.
Okay.
We have hardtail fish.
Sorry?
Hardtail fish.
Hardtail fish. Oh, okay.
And
what?
we have red snapper. Or takeaway.
Okay.
Okay.
What tastes the best?
The best for barbecue?
Sorry?
You
For
want
barbecue, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
For barbecue, I recommend you this pomfret and hardtail fish.
So pomfret is 8 for 100 grams and hardtail fish is 650. I assume that means pomfret is better. So this tastes better?
Yeah, it tastes better.
Do you like nasi goreng? Kampung. Nasi goreng kampung.
No spicy or no?
Okay. Yeah,
Spicy.
okay. I'll get that.
Kurang pedas lah.
Can I get a small one if that's possible? Yeah,
Saya nak ni lah.
that one looks pretty big.
Nasi putih
Maybe like that one. Yeah. Alright. Time to watch my pomfret get cooked. So it gets butterflied, put in between some kind of grill, and gets placed on hot freaking lava. Look at all that charcoal. It's best to stand at this angle so the fan blows the whatever it is away. Right, my grilled fish or Ikan Bakar is here. So I got one fish split into two sides. It looks very nicely barbecued. You can see the juices come out. So I think the only downside is the bones are still in there. So this might take a while to eat. I also got some chili sauce, and for drink they showed me a Fanta with lychee, so I had to try it even though I'm not a big fan of Fanta or lychee. Okay, so I'm not exactly sure how you even start this, so I'm just gonna dig in like this and use a combination of my hands. Just dipping on the sauce. I really like the barbecue flavor. It's just as good as I expected. So I think you need a combination of your hands and forks to do this. I don't really see any other way to eat this. The fish is very tasty. It's barbecued very well. Not too charred and not too under barbecued. The sauce is really nice. It's a little bit chilly, so I do recommend mixing it together with this. Overall, it's a little expensive. This fish cost me 46 ringgit, which is a lot more than I guess most dishes in Malaysia so far. But it is a fresh fish. They barbecue on the spot, so I guess it's probably worth it. So I'm at Nasi Kandar Tomato. Been recommended to me by Jeff from the hostel Langkawi dormitory. So I think Nasi Kandar is like self-service, so you grab whatever you want and please take food and pay at the counter. But I'm a little suspect of these things because it's almost 11 o'clock, and which means most of these have been sitting out there for a while. So I think I'm gonna change my plan and go for the freshly made tandoori station. So that's the tandoor, I guess. Yeah, so I think I'll get that instead. Alright, so our garlic cheese naan has arrived. They look a little different than what I was expecting. I'm used to the more like fluffy garlic cheese naan. This one's more like thin. They also came with the sauces. Like the roti kind. I don't know what they are, but I know some of them can be a bit spicy, so better keep that in mind. And also my serving of chicken tikka, or I think that's what it's called. They seems to be putting some kind of spices on it. I don't know what it is, but I'm sure it's good. Alright, I'm gonna get some of that cheese now. Let me try to find a piece with more cheese in it. Gotta get to the middle. Ooh, it's really hot. So you can see the cheese up here. Don't know if you can see it. Focus. Alright, screw it. The cheese is not what I expected. It's kind of like white. I'm gonna try to dip it in this sauce. It's like creamy cheese. Not the kind of like cheddar cheese I was expecting, like American style cheese. Chicken tikka, or tandoori chicken, that's the right name. Sorry. You can see the hole where the skewer went through when they shoved it down the tandoori. Good flavor, a little dry. That's why I ordered the Sprite. A little dry. I think I might wrap it around with the garlic naan and then dip it. That sounds like a good plan. It's a little burger. Chicken and cheese definitely goes well together. Malay nice snacks. Gonna get some of this skewers. Bitcoin accepted. You got this.
This guy.
Please, can someone come up with me?
Okay, are you guys ready to sing a video?
Oh yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Come on, Kira. I don't want to do this.